2, 3. Hi guys, it's Chloe. Today is February 18. Yeah, it's February 18. Today our plan is to, my arm hurts, is to, there's Hazel. The plan is to go to Ikea, some stuff. My dad's currently vacuuming the house. That's why you hear a vacuum in the background. Anyways, that's gonna be the plan for today. So this is gonna be an Ikea vlog, yay! I put all of these on for the first time, but I only put like half of it because I cut the rest of it off. So you guys like it? Here's cargo. Here. I'm scared of the vacuum right now. So
She's so fluffy. She is very fluffy. Look at her.
it's actually really nice outside. It's like really sunny. It's really nice outside, guys. It's like really sunny. But hold on, this is the temperature. It's like -1. Let's not talk about that. The time is barely 10:20. Oh my god, wait, hold on. Time is currently 10:28. I woke up like at 8 today, which is fun. It's fine because yeah. Dad, just say hi. Hi ka lang. See, Dad said hi, guys. Yesterday I had an idea that one of my like vlogs, I should just speak Tagalog for the whole time.
Girl, what the?
Yeah, I still know how to speak Tagalog. Surprisingly, I do. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Okay, bye. We're getting food right now. Mom is currently ordering stuff. Here in the food court. What we're eating right now. I have fish and chips. Mom and Dad. Mom and Dad have meatballs. Except that Dad has plant-based meatballs. And Mom is lang to Mama. Okay na. So yan. Masarap ba? Mama. Masarap yung sayo. Mom and Dad's meatballs got mixed up because they literally look alike, but then Mom tasted it and she's like, it doesn't taste, there's really no taste. Where's the flavor? And then Dad was like, oh yeah, this is mine. So Guys, put your stuff right now. Okay. I'm gonna eat now. Bye. There's a thing here and that's like...
Hubad sa kilig.
What's that in English, Daddy? Naked to kilig. What's kilig? Giggle. And then this is a fridge. But outside it's a cabinet. That gets more. Hiding from Mom. Yeah, he is looking at stuff and he sat down. Daddy, say hi. He doesn't know we're sitting down, I think. So, yeah. Yay. Me and my dad were waiting for my mom and we couldn't find her. She wasn't like coming to us. So then my mom called me. She's like, where are you guys? We're like, we're at the place where you left us. And she's like, I'm really near the warehouse. She's really getting ice cream right now. What do you have to say about this, Pa?
No comment.
No comment. We didn't even see her like walking towards us or anything. Oh my gosh, okay. We keep on losing her. Okay, bye. We just got home from that and now we are, what are we doing, Pa? We're gonna have dinner. It is 5:13. Yeah, we're just gonna go eat. And yeah. Bye. Hey guys, it's me, Chloe, from like in a couple days. I didn't have an outro to this video thing, so I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope I can make more vlogs like this. I'm really working on another vlog that I will be publishing sooner or later. Hopefully soon. You guys have a good day, night, or whatever time it is. And yeah, bye!